Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we're gonna unbox the Dualtron Mini. So first, when you get your box, you have to open it through here. So I'll do that. And do it this way. And always go knives away from you. Then you open it up and you see styrofoam. There's not a scooter yet, but that's okay. It comes with your user manual, an Allen key set, which is really handy, bolt covers, your handlebar set with the screws that come with it. Next, you have an LED remote that controls all the lights on the scooter. And then we have your battery in this white cardboard box that comes wrapped. Then it also comes with the cord that you'll then connect and everything so you can charge your scooter. So now that you've opened your box and seen all the items on top, we are gonna remove the styrofoam. So you just take it out, put it somewhere else, and here's your scooter. Now that we removed the styrofoam, we can remove the scooter from the box. It's on the lighter side for the Dualtron scooters. The scooter is out of the box, and as you can see, the only thing still wrapped is the handlebar. Now we're gonna pull up the stem, pull out this little knob and twist it. Now you're gonna take this lever and pull it up. Cool. And then the last bit is a little harder. So then you're gonna pull it up and lock it in place like that when you hear it click. So I need to make sure this is all lined up so this can go in. Now we're gonna attach the handlebar. So first, let's take it out of the bubble wrap and we're gonna put this down here, but we need this connector and the latch has to go towards you. You put this here and then you put this on top. And you're gonna wanna use the 5mm here and then you just screw it right in. Okay, almost all in there. And just make sure that it's centered and then you can screw it in nice and tight. Next, we're gonna put on the LCD display. So first, you're gonna see these screws here. So let's use the 3mm tool. Okay, and let's undo the other one. And then you screw it in. And then you turn it to the correct position that works for you, and you tighten all 4 screws here. So now everything is set up on your handlebars. We have the brake lever over here on the left, a fun little bell, and then you have your LCD display on the right-hand side. So your handlebar is great. Now it's time to put on the bolt covers. So we have this little baggie that came with it, and all we do is put it on. Now that all the bolt covers are on, it's time to charge it. So you take the charger that was in the pack and you're gonna find the 3 holes and then you're gonna plug it in. Once you're all connected, the charger goes from green to red and it is working. One of my favorite things about the Dualtron Mini are the lights. And to turn on the lights, all you do is click this button next to the charging port. And remember, we also have the remote. It works the colors. We can even change different things. In addition to the colorful lights, you also have a rear brake light. And then you also have a front light so you can see where you're going. That concludes our Dualtron Mini unboxing video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's it. See you next time.